your home, your business, your sanctuary. Everything depends on systems working perfectly behind the scenes, and nothing is more critical than your gas lines. Whether it's heating your family through cold Moreno Valley nights, powering your commercial kitchen, or fueling your business operations, gas line safety isn't negotiable. When you need expert gas line installation, repair, or replacement, you're not looking for just anyone. You're looking for professionals who understand the stakes. Professionals who bring over 7 years of dedicated service to this community. Professionals who arrive fast, within 60 minutes for emergencies, ready to deliver solutions that work. Your family gathers for dinner. Your heating system hums quietly in the background. Everything feels right. That peace of mind? That's what Pure Valley Plumbing delivers. Our licensed master plumbers don't just fix problems, they prevent them. With advanced diagnostic technology and EPA LEED Safe certification, every installation and repair meets the highest safety standards. No shortcuts. No compromises. Running a business means every hour counts. A gas line issue isn't just an inconvenience, it's lost revenue, lost reputation. That's why commercial operators and restaurant owners trust Pure Valley Plumbing. Our 120-strong team, fully equipped with 5 service vans stationed across Moreno Valley, means you get the expertise you need exactly when you need it. Your business never stops. Neither do we. Licensed, insured, and backed by $2 million in general liability coverage, Pure Valley Plumbing brings credentials that matter. Certified tankless water heater installers, backflow prevention specialists, advanced leak detection experts. We're not just plumbers, we're problem solvers equipped with technology that identifies issues others miss. 7 years, award-winning service. Excellence recognized throughout Riverside County. We've earned the trust of thousands of Moreno Valley residents and business owners because we show up, we deliver, and we stand behind every job with a 12-month parts and labor warranty. Your gas lines deserve pure professional care. Your family deserves safety. Your business deserves reliability. Stop trusting your most critical systems to anyone less than the best. Experience the Pure Valley Plumbing difference, where fast response meets expert solutions, and peace of mind isn't a luxury, it's a guarantee. Available 24/7. Emergency response, guaranteed. Local experts you can depend on. This is Pure Valley Plumbing. This is Moreno Valley's trusted choice.